Okay, hi, I'm Brian from Speak Up at Pasal TV, and it sounds like this class is just about finishing up. So I'm gonna hope to catch one of the students on their way out and catch up with them to learn about the experience here at Pasal.
Okay, so bye-bye. See ya.
Hi, excuse me. Do you have a moment to join our TV series, Speak Up at Pasal? Hi, I'm here to catch up with a student from one of the classes here at Pasal. Won't you join me?
Okay. Hi.
Would you introduce yourself to the audience, please?
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Na. I'm 19 years old, and now I'm a second-year student at National Economic University. And my major is marketing communication.
Okay. So you've been in college for a while now.
Yes.
How is college life?
Well, at the beginning time, I was very lonely because I had not many friends as well as many activities. But fortunately, since I was at Pasal, I had more new friends and been involved in a lot of interesting activities. As a result, my student life has become much more meaningful.
Okay. So talk to me a little bit about these activities. What are they like? What do you do?
Okay, I really love Pasal because it is the most ideal learning environment I have ever known. Yeah, in class, my trainer, Tuan, she always tries to create many activities and games to us to practice English.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are so very excited, such as learning vocabulary through pictures, actions, and situations. Whole class are really excited and interested in this learning.
So if the whole class is really interested in this learning,
Yes.
does that help you with more diligent study habits?
Yes. Not only that, Pasal also has PEC, the Pasal English Club.
Okay.
Yeah, all participants are enrolled, and every weekend, PEC also create many activities for indoor and outdoor activities to practice English.
Okay.
Yeah, and I remember that not too long ago, PEC invited Kenny Nguyễn to talk with us again, and this is really amazing chance to meet him again, my idol.
Okay. Well, you seem really happy and excited
Thank
to talk
you.
about activities
Yes.
and everything like that. So I appreciate having you come on and share your experience.
Yes. Thanks to this video, I would like to send my sincere to Pasal. Thanks, Pasal, for giving me the meaningful time.
And thank you for sharing your experience.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.